Hey guys, Disco Def here, back with another video, part 2 of the original video. Sorry, I went far in, but now, what am I gonna do with the rest of the series? Well, today is, 11/12/2017, so I'm gonna get everything done today. The Fallout 3 quest line. And I'm gonna end Gary's story, basically.
Stay away from me.
What do you want?
I suppose it does. I used to be a slave. Really? Can you help? I don't. If you ever go up.
Well?
If you see anything suspicious, be sure to tell the security.
They call me shrapnel.
Shrapnel? Man, I love guns, but nothing big. Better than the kickers at 3-4. Okay, now I need to prepare my stuff. Thank you. I think I'm gonna buy some ordnance. Alright, guys, so he has the finest supply of weapons. So let's purchase all of them. Well, wait. I have a carrier limit, don't I? But I need some weapons as well. Maybe a little bit later I'll add my... Alright. I think that's enough, right?
Pleasure doing business with you.
Alright. Crap.
Yes, sir. It's named. She's not. You mean like hitting on me? No. Most of them are polite. Even the ones like Diego that I'd want to flirt with seem to ignore me. Well, one of them. Yeah, right. I wish I had some ant pheromones.
Maybe I need some ant pheromones. I might want... Good to see you too.
Welcome to Potomac Attire. I am Bannon, proprietor.
I'm awesome.
Between...
You're in the city council. Alright, so you're in the city council. Disgusting. I need to repair my stuff. All of it. I have to buy some stuff from him. Alright, I'm gonna probably buy more a bit later.
Thanks.
I need to repair my stuff again. Alright. Thank you. It's been a pleasure, Mr. Bannon. Rivet City Security. Commander David.
Maybe you don't know who you're talking to. I'm Commander. Yeah, well.
Hey, don't call me noob.
Otherwise.
I heard you. Can I get a drink?
The weather.
You've been looking. You are very helpful. Thank you. Usually everybody, a quick fix. I'm gonna buy all your chems later.
A quick fix. I mean, that's the name of our shop. Holly and mine, that is. My name is Cindy.
Damn, you sound like you've been sampling your own stuff.
No. I would never do that. Holly does. Sample it, I mean.
We're kind of getting a drink.
The muddy.
Hey! I wasn't done talking to you. I need some cans. your husband. What do you have for sale? And clean pheromones. And don't worry. I'm gonna use all this shit. These things to good stuff. I'm not
Another
gonna.
satisfied customer.
Thank you. Have a nice day. Is that an orange? Gary. Wait a second. Wait, Gary's Galley. I should own this place then. Me, Gary. Hey, this is my place. Back off. I'm gonna kill you. Hang on. I'm gonna save real quick. I'm gonna kill you.
The Mirelurks have been quiet.
Dang it. Come on. But you took my name. I'm the real Gary. I have a second chance. I hate Gary. Gary Stanley, you're stealing my name. Guys, he stole my name. I feel sad and angry at him. So, what should I do? Well, he deserves to die a painful death. Oh, that didn't really work out. But did it kill him? My legs, my arm. Alright, I'm just gonna go and kill him with my hunting rifle. Sorry, man. You took my name. And that was my everything. Hey. Good. Alright, that was enough of me killing him. Or at least right now. But Gary, you're gonna be in a whole heap of trouble.
Let me introduce myself. I am Gary My specialty is Mirelurk.
I'm partial to Myra cakes.
Then you. Yeah, I know. Father Clip.
You know.
Yeah, come.
I'm hungry. I'm just gonna go buy some stuff from him. Listen, I need food. I need some food too. Alright, guys? Not some eat with guy. I need some devil's eggs.
Give me a shout if you need anything else.
Thank you for coming to Gary's Cadley. Gary, I have a question. I don't like you, so is there some place where we can, you know, do a shootout? Because I really want to kill you after you stole my name. Alright, so I'm gonna visit my house real quick, and yeah, COC, mega ton. Uh-oh. What did I do? Ah, crap. Hang on, guys. I think I did something wrong. Yep. Oh, right. I traveled indoors, idiot. I'm an idiot. I traveled indoors. I gotta get out of here. All I have to do is just go into the front exit, and that'll be it. If only I had a place to live.
Did you hear about the fight in the... Who are
Polly,
you? Got any sight?
why don't you just take that stuff and kill you?
It's a place. Make it quick, will you? I'm coming. My what? Make it quick, will you? I'm coming down.
Here, have some
Thanks,
psycho.
man.
Oh. Oh, bad? Well, I better kill him then. Hey, I had to put him out of his misery. He He's a psycho, so
The Meyer
let's
looks
put
like
him out of history. I better do it again. Just, you know what? I'm just gonna head home. It's gonna be a while.
evening.
Hey there. Who are you? I run the chem shop, but I'm broke.
What?
That's what. It's a place. The doc.
I don't like you. I'm not giving you any chems, Paul.
Hey,
This place
Sorry.
is closing soon. I'm on duty. Make it quick.
Can I, yeah, well,
Yeah, he's totally.
he's gonna kill himself. Okay. See ya. I gotta, I'm going to, head back home. To my house. Cherry. Whoa. Alright. Wait. COC. Megaton. Right? Oh, crap. I can just do it the old-fashioned way then. TGM. To God mode. Head to Megaton. Crap. I will just... Wait. I'm on God mode, so that means world. Reboot right. Let's go to Megaton real quick. Get rid of mostly all my weapons. Might want to take some skin packs. Boom, boom. Yeah, welcome to my Megaton house, guys. Pretty basic. So where's all my stuff again? Hello. Thanks, whoever you are, Worth. I don't know who your name is, but I'm glad that people want to see me alive and healthy. It makes me feel good. Alright, so I have one of everything. I don't need to do these. Certainly not do these. Keep this. I don't need this. Combat knife, not really. Yeah. No. 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 Wait, I actually needed that laser pistol. Laser pistol. Laser rifle, maspatron. I could put the maspatron away. Nail board. Pound stick. Soft. Silence 10 mil. But later, tire iron. Alright, and then next one. Brahmin skin outfit. I might need the. I'm gonna put on the combat armor. And get all this out of me. Alright. Harple. There we go. Wait, didn't I used to have like power armor? Ah, there it is. Enclave power armor. Yeah, I remember that stuff. I'm a soldier class. I got a 10mm. Pow, 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 pow. Assault rifle. You're my wait, I'm your master? I thought I was always I was just your employer. Apparently, I was even. Alright, you can have my armored Vault 101. Hey, I want you to tell me a joke. Hey. Hey, what can I do for you? Tell me a joke. What determines right? Only use the rest. Okay, something to drink. Like something to drink.
Certainly, sir.
I like a haircut, please.
Certainly, I am.
Thank you. Alright. Well, I better change my self, actually. I would like the haircut, please. Facial hair. Let's tell our dad what we've been through after we get a little haircut. I need no. I would just do a tunnel snake clean cut, actually. Still make myself look good. Alright. See to Dad how long he's been gone. So I've grown a beard and all that other stuff, you know? Makes sense. I'll come back to the series once my dad dies. If he dies. But if he does, well, I guess I can, but I didn't want that to come, so. Alright, enough messing around with my weapons. Time to get back actually into action. And turn this off. Alright, back into action, guys. Sorry, I had to do some stuff. You know how I am. I can't resist. I have to be better. Alright. Oh, no! Crap. I just arrived at Rivet City, too. Turn. I just got out and I'm like, woohoo! And then I dropped. Oh, man, I just needed to tell the person who wanted purified water badly.
Please, do you have
Heavy
any
water. What do you want to do?
I've been drinking this irradiated shit.
Here.
I can stop.
Yes, my friend.
Really?
If you just help these poor men.
Get you. I hate to.
Here, just. Again. Yes, I'm a saint.
You've helped me so much.
Yes.
You saved my life.
I don't have. I'm sorry. Oh, don't worry. I'll give some immediately to you. So that's how you become a saint, I believe. So let's keep going. Hey, I'm battle hardened after my adventures. It's the time I settled down. Do. Alright. So, we're going to the other deck. I knew that. The Muddy Rudder Bar. Man, I need a drink. Who are you?
Don't know you. Don't pay.
Hey, what's the problem?
You're kidding, right?
Oh, I don't know you.
They call me sister, don't it?
But you're a man, why would they call you
Are
sister?
you making fun of my name?
I already made fun of your name.
I'm Belle Bonnie. I'll tell you what I tell all the fresh meat. Don't start anything. You must be drunk. Oh yeah. Go talk to Vera if you want.
Well, it was just good.
Yeah.
Beer. And don't let it get empty.
Listen, I'm Brock. The
Depends.
bounty.
It depends what makes it so
Starting
over.
fi-
Girl. Well, I'm just gonna.
Yeah. That was bad. I'm sure they'll do something.
Wait, who's he talking to?
Hey.
Okay. Rivet City Clinic. Alright, let's go for here. It's kind of hard. Even though I played this game a lot, I still don't know what things, you know,
I'm
like.
flying. If you want.
like that. The names are good.
Man, don't be mean to me. Don't be mean. The clinic. I have to get a hotel room.
Looks okay here.
Hey, I need a hotel room. Robot.
Welcome to the
Mr. Buckingham. Who's your owner? What is this place? How much for a room? Not a fair price. Take it. What do you have for eat? I'll pass. I got some food down. Well, I don't have any food, but I'll do it later. For right now, I need to go find my father, and then I'll get some sleep.
I'm on duty. Make it quick.
Alright. Alright. Well, come on, let's keep going, let's keep going, let's keep going. Science lab, right?
Look, Dr. Zimmer, we've been over this. We don't know about your runaway robot, and we don't care. This lab is dedicated to solving real problems.
Yes. But Dr. Lee...
Dr. Lee is trying to save lives, and your constant interruptions are interfering with those efforts. Now please, stand aside.
I'm doing...
The good doctor's work with water purification is fascinating. But if you only knew what was at stake, the technology in that android...
What's at stake? You won't tell me what's at stake. Vagaries and secrecy. A robot's a robot, Zimmer, no matter how shiny the paint job. Now, please.
Ignorance and facetiousness. That's all you people are good for. Shiny paint job indeed. You can't even imagine the Commonwealth's accomplishments.
You know, if you're so smart, maybe you could help us, But no, that never even crossed your mind. Go peddle your selfishness somewhere else.
Fine, but I'm not leaving. Not until I've spoken to Dr. Lee. I'll be here when she's ready to abandon her chemistry set and talk real science.
Okay.
So,
You must be Dr. Lee, right? You're old. Really old. But whatever.
This is a restricted area. It's you. My heavens, you look so much. You're James's son.
You know my father? Have you seen him?
Well, yes, of course I do. Don't you know who I am? I'm Dr. Madison Lee. You'll have to forgive me. This is all. But you have to understand that
Trying to find my
I
father.
mean, you haven't. I assumed he sent you. For that matter, aren't you supposed to be in a vault? James said he left.
Kissing about me.
Your father
My
is
father.
no longer here, and I'd appreciate it if. Your father insisted that we return to work on Project Purity. I tried telling him too much time has passed. There's no way it would work.
Really?
Predictably, he refused to listen to me.
He's stubborn.
Sorry.
Where's this old lad of yours?
It's in the old Jeff.
Oh,
Please,
you mean...
don't go after him.
Is there any other way you can help me out?
Look, I'm.
Okay, thanks anyway. I hate you. You're the worst parent ever.
You there. What are you, some kind of... Are you...
That depends. What are we talking about here?
To the point.
What missing property? What gets in chase? What's your
I'll
job?
be searching for... All you know of robots are those buckets of bolts. I'm talking about artificial...
Those sounds like favoring me.
Nonsense. This is a machine we're talking about. But let's get back to your mission. I'm sorry, it slipped my mind. I have at my disposal advanced technology from the Commonwealth. I'd be willing to share some of it with you. Just think, you'll be the envy of all your friends.
I'll go. Thanks for finding it. Oh! It didn't. Oh.
Maybe. So,
Why won't you?
I got the Duke. It's... And
Okay. So.
this particular android, designation 8, the others, like my escort Armitage there, are all older models, easily replicated. Ah. So you see,
It's a member of the Commonwealth.
Commonwealth itself is nothing but a war-ravaged. But
The Institute. The Institute.
Lay a hand on Dr. Zimmer and I'll snap your neck like a chicken bone.
Well, I guess there's no fun. Okay. I gotta get out of here. Alright, I have to go sleep. Dr. Preston's door. Where's my room again? There's my room. Hey, alright. Nice room. Let's wait until about 7 hours. I feel good. Oh, by the way,
You don't look so tough.
I actually am.
Hey, be more careful.
Welcome to the Weatherly Hotel. I'm your hostess.
Have you heard any interesting gossip?
He's addicted to.
Or
You
anything?
haven't heard? But since he's a.
Okay, right.
They say Mr. Lopez is losing it. He stands on the.
Uh-oh.
Oh,
What do you have to eat? So long, Vera.
I am at your service.
I might convince Mr. Lopez not to kill himself. We done as well. I'm sorry, but I can't. I wonder if gotta do it. I gotta make sure. Which tower? Alright. Rivet City. Flight deck. Where are you?
Sir, yes. Sir, you are. Please. Sir, yes, sir. Sir, this slag heap.
It's an armory, eh? It's very important. Well, it's all your military weapons, so I guess it's really important. Mr. Lopez. Mr. Lopez.
haven't run into you before.
I don't remember you.
Nobody does. Don't worry. You may be right.
What about Teddy?
Ted Strayer. I suppose I could talk to him. Thank you, Strength. Someday, maybe I'll get.
Did he kill himself or did he actually go back in? I convinced him and he still killed himself.
Haven't run into you before. You may be. Ted Straight. Thank you.
Alright.
Someday, maybe I'll get courage.
Alright, go in. Do not run right there and you're gonna be like, wee! Oh no, I'm not doing that. So, I saved the guy from killing himself. Let's go to the Jefferson Memorial. Kill some supermutants. I think it's in the gift shop. Uh-oh. See those ugly people? Those are supermutants. We're gonna go low. It's like we're gonna go fast and quick. Making sure. And wasted a bit of ammo. Alright. Let's move, convert ops. It's a convert ops. Well, not really. It's not really convert. Because everybody knows we're here. If you know you're here, it's not really convert. But hey, I can call whatever I want. Die. You are weak, I am strong. That's technically not true. Whoever has the gun is very strong. So, yeah. We both have guns, so I guess we're both strong. Boing, boing, boing. Sorry. You said you think it's impossible that a master race, super. Oh crap! This guy. Another super mean people. I think they're greater. What did you just throw? Boom, boom, boom. All right. Sorry. Hey, you left me with no choice, buddy. You're ready to kill me, so I had to kill you. God, I hope these souls rest in peace after the torture they've experienced over the years. Yowza! Jefferson Memorial. Alright. Yeah, there you are. Hey, ugly. Sorry, ugly. Got to do that one. Hey, ugly. Boing, 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 boing. You are weak, I am strong. You sound just like that. You sound like Dixon now. Ooh. Wait. Not. Dang it. Take this and this. Okay, listen to Dad's entries. Alright, notes. Purify entry 5.
Soon after we arrived, my nightly routine included sneaking into the restricted areas, searching for, I don't know, whatever I could find. It was a Voltec facility after all. The place was built with some of the most advanced technology this country had ever developed. Those excursions never turned up anything particularly useful. So, one night, after a bottle of scotch, I broke into the overseer's office. It was easy enough to hack his console, gain access to the restricted files. Most of it was garbage. Propaganda, spy reports, just plain rambling bullshit. But there was one thing, one name that stood out amongst all the others. Dr. Stanislaus Braun. I knew of Braun's work, of course. He was a celebrity in his day, Voltec's sorcerer scientist, leading his peers all in his technological research. But it was involved one-on-one with in the overseer's office. I first learned of Braun's involvement in Voltec's sociable preservation program, and as I went off to Vault 112 to search for anything in Braun's that might help me. To be honest, the gig sounded like pure fantasy.
Zimmer, by the time you get this message, I'll already be gone. I'm escaping the Commonwealth. I want to live my own life on my own terms, as my own man. I know what you're thinking, that I'm malfunctioning. I used to think that's what caused the runaways too. But I know better now.
Alright. Well, that's it. He left me to go to a vault. I'm very angry, but why would he leave me just to go to a vault? You left your son. I guess I'll get over it. Well, all I have to do now is just head to that vault, but why should I? Why should I go after him? He never run after me. He never ran after me, so why should I go after him? Thank you guys for watching part 2, you know what, part 2, yeah, and I'll see you guys a little bit later, peace out.